Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, January 14, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David.
How are you today?
I am okay, but I am a little tired.
Me too.
I need a strong coffee.
I am making a double espresso.
That sounds good.
Do you have many meetings today?
Yes, I have 4 meetings.
Wow, that is a lot.
I know.
I'm happy I'm in sales.
Why is that?
I like talking to clients more than sitting in internal meetings,
I understand that.
but I have a lot of emails to answer.
We always have emails.
That is true.
Did you read the news this morning?
Yes. I saw something very interesting in the Wall Street Journal.
Which article?
It was about New York City.
Oh, I love New York.
Me too, but this news is controversial.
What is happening?
The article is from January 13, 2026.
Okay,
The headline is the cashless city experiment.
what does that mean?
It says New York City wants to ban physical cash in all stores.
Really?
Yes, no more paper money or coins.
That is a big change.
The article says businesses must only accept cards or digital payments.
Why do they want to do that?
The government says it stops tax evasion.
I see.
If everything is digital, they can track all the money.
That makes sense for the government.
Yes, but many people are angry.
Why are they angry?
Critics say it hurts poor people.
That is true.
Not everyone has a bank account.
Or a credit card.
Exactly.
Also, what about privacy?
That is my worry too.
I do not want the government to see every coffee I buy.
I agree with you.
But I usually pay with my phone anyway.
Me too.
It is faster.
It is very convenient.
But a total ban is extreme.
The article says the fine for businesses is $5,000.
$5,000?
Yes, if they accept cash.
That is a lot of money.
It is crazy.
I think this will be a big problem for small shops.
I think so too.
Speaking of technology and problems, did you see CNN yesterday?
No, I missed it.
There was an article on January 12, 2026.
What was it about?
It is about a new app for companies.
Is it a good app?
I am not sure.
Tell me more.
The headline is the AI Boss app.
The AI boss.
Yes,
That sounds scary.
a big consulting firm is using it.
What does the app do?
It replaces middle managers.
Wait, really?
Yes,
So there is no human boss?
exactly.
How does it work?
The app assigns tasks to employees,
Okay.
and it tracks their breaks.
It tracks their breaks?
Yes, every minute.
That is terrible.
The article says employees are striking.
I understand why.
They say the app is too strict,
A computer does not understand if you are sick,
or if you are just tired.
or if you need 5 minutes to drink water.
Exactly?
Does it save money?
Yes, the company saves millions of dollars.
Of course,
They do not pay manager salaries.
but the workers are unhappy.
Very unhappy.
I do not want an AI boss.
Me neither.
Imagine an app telling you to work faster.
It is like a robot nightmare.
I prefer a human manager.
Even if the manager is annoying,
Yes, even then.
at least you can talk to a human.
You cannot argue with an algorithm.
That is a good point.
Is this legal?
The article says it is legal for now.
That is worrying.
Technology is moving very fast.
Too fast, maybe.
I agree.
Well, I have one more story for you.
Is it better news?
Maybe.
Tell me.
It is from the Boston Globe.
Okay,
It was published on January 14th, 2026.
that is today.
Yes, fresh news.
What is the topic?
It is about noise.
Noise?
Yes, the headline is the noise tax.
A tax on noise?
Yes, in big cities.
How does that work?
The city installs sound cameras.
Sound cameras?
Yes, they have microphones.
Okay.
If you are too loud, the camera takes a picture.
And then?
You get a fine in the mail.
Just for making noise?
Yes, for loud music or shouting.
Where does this apply?
In public parks and streets.
That is interesting.
The fine is $200.
$200 is expensive.
Yes, it is.
But honestly, I like the idea.
You do.
Yes, cities are too loud.
But what about street musicians?
That is a difficult question.
Or people having a party in the park?
The article says there is a decibel limit.
What is the limit?
I think it is 85 decibels.
That is not very loud.
It is loud enough.
I like listening to music in my car.
Do you listen to it loudly?
Sometimes
Then you need to be careful.
I do not want a ticket
The article says residents are happy.
because they want quiet.
Yes, they want to sleep.
But young people are protesting.
They say it destroys culture.
I can see both sides.
It is a balance.
Everything is about control these days.
Control of money
Control of work.
and control of noise.
It is a strange week for news.
Very strange.
I hope my sales numbers are good,
Why?
so my boss does not replace me with an app.
You are funny, David.
I am serious.
Don't worry.
Sales needs a human touch.
I agree.
An app cannot tell jokes.
Your jokes are not always good.
Hey, that is not nice.
I am just kidding.
I know.
Anyway, my coffee is finished.
Mine too.
I have to go to my first meeting.
Good luck with the project.
Thank you.
I have to call 5 clients.
Good luck with your sales.
Thanks, Alex.
Let's meet here tomorrow.
Same time?
Yeah, same time.
I hope the news is better tomorrow.
We will see.
Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.